just a little bit left. Only this area is left to bead stitch. Only, well, roughly saying 11 rows, columns, and I will be done. Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed beaded cross-stitch kit from a Russian company Golden Hands, and I will also show you two completed diamond painting kits in the end of the video. So let's start with this beaded cross-stitch kit. To tell you the truth, it took me 5 years to complete it. I bought it back in 2020, as far as I remember. I think COVID has already started, and my daughter went to preschool. It was a Christian preschool, and when I saw this very design, I associated this very design with my daughter. Like, this is a preschool, right? This is a girl who is going to the preschool. By the way, the name of this kit is Inseparable Friends. So, and I liked it. I showed it to my daughter. She loved it too. So I decided to purchase this and bead stitch it. And I started it pretty quick, but then, I don't know, I had a break, and then I haven't touched it for like several years. And this year I decided to come back to it and finally finish it. My daughter is no longer 3 years old. She's already 9 years old. Yeah, she no longer attends Christian school. She goes to public school, 3rd grade. Oh well, but at least I finally finished it. So I purchased it from a Russian website again back in 2020. Unfortunately, it is no longer available. This website no longer exists, and this way I am not able to order beaded cross-stitch kits anymore from this very brand. This very brand, Golden Hands. That's how it looked originally. This is their logo. So this company is very famous for hand charting their patterns and hand selecting the bead colors. The kit size is pretty big for a beaded cross-stitch kit. It is 40 by 51 centimeters. It was my second kit that I diamond painted from scratch. So what's unique about their kits is that they come on a blank canvas, like you saw it in the beginning of my video, right? So it was absolutely blank canvas with 8 pages of black and white pattern. You see it yellow because I highlighted the areas that I beaded, right? So that I wouldn't be confused and mistakenly bead stitch the same area again. It came with 55 colors. I love everything about it. It was pretty easy to bead stitch, and it was pretty fast to bead stitch, relatively of course, because bead stitching takes time. But again, since I took a break for a few years, it took me 5 years to bead stitch it. But I bead stitched like half of it, and then I decided to focus on diamond painting, and then maybe 2 months ago I resumed bead stitching, and I finished it in a few months, which is pretty fast for beading because it is pretty time consuming. But I loved everything about it. I loved the colors, the combination of colors. Color transition is perfect. Look at the coat of the girl. You can see every single wrinkle. Look at the snow. It looks so natural, so soft, so to say, right? The detailization is just flawless. It looks incredible. I love how it turned out, and there were different texture of beads. There were opaque, translucent, transparent, AB, like everything you can think of. Here, maybe I will show you a little bit closer. You will understand what I'm talking about. Gorgeous. Look at the face of the girl. Beautifully rendered. And the color combination is incredible. So everything looks magnificent. I love how it turned out. Actually, this is my second kit. I had never bead stitched from scratch before. I bead stitched on the canvas that already came with the design on it. The first very kit that I bead stitched, and this one was more complicated than Inseparable Friends. The cherry that's how it turned out. The complication with that one was that it came with so-called special beads, like pearls. They were pretty big, so it took me a while to figure out how to bead stitch it. It was more complicated than this one. I should have started with something simpler, maybe like this, but again, I loved the process. And I'm very happy with how it turned out. And I'll also love the colors. Gorgeous colors. Although I'm planning on taking a break from beading for now, I am going to bead stitch this very kit. This is my favorite design so far. I am looking for the same design in diamond painting. Unfortunately, I cannot find it yet, but I'm looking for something very well rendered, like from a very reputable company, maybe Diamond Dots or Diamond Tower Club or something like that. Not just a regular computer-generated kit from AliExpress. I already completed one from AliExpress, and to tell the truth now, when I'm looking at it, I understand that I do not like how it turned out whatsoever. Super pixelated. This beaded cross stitch is pretty big, 70 by 50 centimeters. Even a diamond painting is big in the size. Now imagine beaded cross stitch kit, so it will take me at least a few years to bead stitch it. It comes with 59 colors versus this one, which is 40 by 50, and then comes with 50 colors. More than that, I bead stitched this kit on this very stand. This stand is for canvases 40 by 50 centimeters, so less than that. I cannot bead stitch or anything else but the stands because I need two of my hands to be free, because I bead stitch with two hands at the same time, not with one. So I cannot hold the canvas with one and bead stitch with another one. No, I need two hands to be, free. So to say, I have a tutorial on how to bead stitch. So if you want to see what I mean by that, you can watch that video. So, but this design, right? It is way bigger, 70 by 50, it just won't fit in it. And I have another stand. I also have a separate video about my stands. It's big. I bought it from Joanne, as far as I remember, or Michael's, I don't remember. So it's pretty big. It doesn't stand on the table. It stands on the floor. It's huge. And it's longer than this one, exactly for kids 70 by 50 centimeters, so bigger. So once once I rest like from this one, I will start bead stitching this, but again, it will take me a long time to complete it. And as I said, guys, the website I ordered it from is no longer available, so I won't be able to give you the link, and unfortunately I won't be able to order for myself because what I liked about that website was that it sold really very high quality beaded cross stitch kits. I cannot find them in the US, unfortunately, unless somebody would bring it with them from Russia or Ukraine and sell it online on eBay or something like that. But the only way now for me is to ask somebody to send it to me from Russia, my friends, or to bring it from me from Russia, or if they're available in Ukraine. But the company is Russian, so I'm not sure if it's available in Ukraine. The Ukrainians also have beaded cross stitch kits, but I still think that the Golden Hands has a better quality. However, this one is from Russian-Ukrainian brand. The Magic of Beads or something like that. I don't remember. I ordered it from Facebook. Okay, but I ordered this one also like in 2020 or 2021, a long time ago. Not sure if they're still selling their kits and shipping them to the US, because I know that some of those Ukrainians moved to Russia. So I don't know. If I find the link, on Facebook, right? I will leave it in the description box below for this brand. This brand is also very good. I bead stitched 2 kits from them, and I actually liked it pretty much. So this is the first thing that I wanted to show you: a beaded cross stitch kit from scratch, Inseparable Friends. Now, 2 more things that I would like to show you are completed diamond painting kits, but these are like snack kits or break kits. This is a nutcracker. It comes with a stand, so I don't know where it is, but I purchased it to occupy myself somewhere during the appointments or at the swimming pool. I take my daughter to the swimming pool, and while she's playing there, I'm diamond painting. So I'm planning to give it away as a gift to one of your teachers for Christmas. To tell you the truth, I wouldn't recommend you to purchase it. I got it from Temu. It was not expensive. Again, I won't be able to give you the link because I bought it, I don't know, maybe like 6 months ago. I don't remember, and I do not recommend it because I didn't like the quality. The adhesive, as you can see, is even on his face where it's not supposed to be. So I will have to seal it with the varnish, and the adhesive is not that good on top of the nutcracker because sometimes the drills are moving. So this is the first one. Here it is. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't show the sparkle. The sparkle is pretty good, but I'm afraid that if I seal it, the sparkle wouldn't be as vibrant as you can see it now on the screen. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you is this. This is a mirror. I haven't assembled it yet. Okay, as you can see that there are the holes, for the screws and stuff like that. But unlike the nutcracker, I'm actually very happy with how this one turned out. Like a frame for the mirror here. The mirror is supposed to be here. The adhesive was good. Nothing comes out, nothing comes off, so I really like it very much. But again, I bought it all together, so I wouldn't be able to give you the link. But you can take a picture and take a screenshot during my video and search for it on Temu. Or just put diamond painting mirror on kit on Temu or nutcracker on Temu, and you will see different kinds of nutcrackers and mirror kits. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.